Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking true wireless stereo earbuds. This is called T6 and is done by a company called TOZO. I have to mention that it is waterproof, and on top of that this has a really good sound to it, extended charge wireless charging. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. In here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with two pages. One is quick start guide and one is going to be the manual. The manual is a little bit thick, and when you go to the back it doesn't have much information, but it has a lot of things covered inside of it that you would like to learn. Going into quick start guide, once you open it, it really tells you how you will be able to charge it and also how you will be able to put it in your ear. Once you put it back inside of the docking station, how it should be, and when you position it inside of your ear, and on top of that what each of the functions will do, and the docking station and also power on and off. When you go to the back part of it, it talks about again how you will be able to process it, reset it, charging, and more is going to be inside of this quick start guide. It also comes with a charging wire. One side is USB type A going to USB type C. In this plastic you will get little ear tips. This way, if you want to get some bigger one or smaller one for your ears, this will really help you out. And the docking station, I really like how they have put everything together. It really looks like Apple, but when you open it, this is how it is, and you can take it out. Now I know that there is a little QR code in the front, and you can see that once you scan this, you can get 18 months of warranty when you go to register this on their website, which is a really cool thing. But you can see how it's been designed. There is some indicators in the front, and then you have the hinge on the top. Once you flip to the back, you can see the cut is really nicely done. Going to the bottom part, you have the USB type C connections for charging, but when you go to the top there's nothing else. And once you open the top is where you're going to see the actual earbud sitting on the top. And once you take it out, it looks something like this. We take out the second one too, and inside of it is very nice and clean. You can see the charging parts, so that way you can charge your earbuds with these. But once you close it, it really clicks. I know one more thing, that this is a wireless charger. We will test it out in a couple of seconds, but this is the docking station itself. In the earbuds, the way that they have been designed, so there is a little part for the charging port. We will take that off, and then also we will take that off too. And you can see that there is a little indicator right there, and going around there's one right here, so that's the mic. And then once you go to the part of it, this is the ear tips, and it also have the name really nicely written, and there's nothing else that will indicate if this is right or left, but it's really cool the way that they have designed it. Same thing for the other ear. You just have to take the little tape off, so now we can charge it, and the touchpad, we can take that off too. And now this is how it really looks. Now in order to activate them for very first time, we have to put them back inside of the docking station. Now if you do put it wrong, you can see that it doesn't go in, so you have to take it out and put it properly, and it will click. And that's the way you know that this is sitting inside of the docking station properly, and close it. Now you can see that there's no lights right now, so if I have to open and close, I don't see any lights whatsoever, so we need to put this in a charge. So when you are charging it, you will see the lights will be on, and this is how you know that this is going to be charged. Alright, so now we will pair the headphones with the phone. In order to do that, you have to open the top, take one out, and it should be blinking as it shows right here. So on the phone we have to go to Bluetooth settings and make sure that it says searching. Go all the way in the bottom, and it shows right there, that's the T6. So we will select it, take a couple of seconds for it to pair, and there you go, we'll say pair. And then on the top you will see it says that it is connected and there is 100% charge. Now when we go to the wheel, it will tell you the name. Also the calls and the audio is connected. And the bottom part is regular on the Android part, so rename, disconnect, and unpair. Now let's go next and test it out. So this is one of our latest videos that we brought out, And here's the headphones, and let's go through and test it out. So we will tap once and it pauses, and when you tap again it just unpauses. You see that? So this how easy it is to process and play with this. So when you're taking a call, and also when you're talking the other side and you just want to put them on mute, there is another earbud that you have to put on your other ear, and that will really process everything that you wish. But this one is really good if you want to watch a video and somebody wants to talk and you tap on your ear and it's just going to pause it. That's how easy it is. Now placing it in your ear, you're never going to hook it up this way. You have to flip it upside down, and then when you put it in your ear, you just have to, there you go. This is how easy it is to process and then put it in your ear. And nicely going to sit, and this way even if you have to shake your head, it's not going to come out because it's got stuck right on the top and also in the side. And this is how it is possible. For this part of the video, we're just going to test out the quality of the sound. There's going to be a little indentation right over here. It will tell you that it is recording. That means it's how it will sound, or you're going to hear us on the other end. So we'll start. And now this is how it really sounds when you're talking on the phone. So remember that this is just total singled out. There's no voice around. So we will test this also with a background noise in a couple of seconds, but this is how it really sounds when you are on the phone. And this is how it sounds when you are with a background noise. So how easy it is to block a lot of that noise, so this way you can hear us easily, and how nice it will sound. This is, I just wanted to make sure to let you know that there is a background noise and it's very loud. So I hope that you can hear my voice. Testing it out with the actual voice part, it looks really cool, but this is how it was, and I hope you guys like that. So for wireless charging, I'm going to use my phone charger. Once you hook up your wireless earbuds, you can see that it starts charging. So you can see that it is charging right now. I have to hold it because if I have to bring it down, it's not, the charger's not here. So it's right around here for it to get wireless charging. Yes, it will work. So now you can wireless charge this anywhere you go, very nicely and very easily. All the links will be available in the bottom of the video. This was our take. I hope you guys like our video, and if you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.